Welcome everyone! Once you know the strategy, it's going to be really simple to get the 10 longshot kills using the Marksman rifle. Now in case you're wondering why my voice doesn't sync with what I'm saying, that's because this is a voiceover. As I did this so quickly, I forgot to turn on my mic. So inside of the Warzone loadouts, we're going to use one of two Marksman rifles. So in the Marksman rifle, you have Swordfish or MAA1. These are just going to be two of the best that you're going to use. So you can see the attachments that I have used on screen here. The main idea is with the muzzle and barrel, you're just trying to get the maximum recoil stabilization. So you can see, and that's what I've done with those. Now under fire mods, I've increased the bullet velocity, and with the magazine, I've chose the highest possible. These aren't outright the best attachments as my gun isn't fully leveled up. It doesn't matter that much. If you have the Prestige attachment that gives you a 5-round burst, then you can use that one as well. Again, my Swordfish is low level, so I've selected the Swordfish here. The cheese is not to use the main modes, but we can actually go into casuals in order to get this achievement done. Yes, casuals. So I'm going to head into the Resurgence game mode, and Rebirth Islands is ideal. Also, turn off squad fill, because if squad fill is on and all your teammates die, you won't respawn. Squad fill, when it's off, is also going to make your loadout only $6,000. With the full squad, it costs $10,000. So turn off squad fill. You have unlimited redeploys. It's super simple, super great. In casuals, most of the players will be bots, and so let's skip in. So I'll cover both the spots for Rebirth and Haven's Hollow. So for Rebirth Islands, we need to earn the 6,000 as quickly as possible. As the lobby is almost exclusively bots, I'm just going to land into the prison. So you can see my loadout, my drop wasn't the best here, but you're just going to quickly loot as many chests as possible to get the 6,000 income. Once you have the 6,000 income, we'll buy the loadout. So you can see it really took virtually no time at all. I already have the 6,000, so I'm just going to head and get the loadout. I'm also going to buy grappling hooks on the buy station as well. So I'm going to do both of those. Once I have my loadout, I'm just going to grapple hook on the top of the water tower. And effectively, every kill you get from this water tower, if it is below you, that counts as a long shot kill. It's going to be super easy to get. So you now see a general idea of what I'm doing. I'm just looking around, and then if I see the enemy, I'm just going to shoot at them. You know, even if you miss most of your shots, you are fighting bots, so they really are not going to shoot back. And even sometimes you're going to see, I'm going to get a kill literally right below me. So you can see this kill right here. That counts as a long shot. This guy is literally below me. You can see it still counts as a long shot. You can see that below the elimination. Now, if for whatever reason someone tries to kick you off the spot, you can see I get a napalm strike. I just parachute onto the main building. Once the napalm goes, I use my grapple to get back to the roof. Super simple, super cool. I'm now going to quickly show Haven's Hollow. Now, real quick, YouTube don't promote my videos like they used to. So if you found this video useful, it really would mean the world to me if you hit the like button down below and just left a comment saying, hey, I found this video useful, thank you. The Haven Hollow spot is this one right here, so you can see the POI, this high part. It's really good to get. Have a nice rest of your day. Bye-bye.